Hello friends. I hope you will be fine. Google has launched its first foldable smartphone, Google Pixel Fold, on May 10, 2023. It is a premium smartphone which comes with beautiful and sleek design and triple rear cameras and 5x telephoto lens. In this video we will talk about the specifications, price and features of Google Pixel Fold in detail. But before this, if you are new on this channel, then immediately subscribe our channel to get latest news and updates. Let's start this video. The design of any phone is its most important element, which attracts customers. It has side-mounted fingerprint sensor. On its right side, power button and volume rocker can be seen. At the bottom, microphone, USB Type-C port and stereo speakers and dual SIM tray is given. At the top, microphone and stereo speakers is given. It comes with most durable hinge design and it is the most thinnest foldable smartphone. On the back of phone, there is a triple camera setup and LED flash is given in the top in a rectangular shape. If we talk about the price of Vivo Google Pixel Fold, then its expected price can be $1,800 US, 2,500 Canadian dollars, 1,900 euros, 1,50,000 Indian rupees, 4,50,000 Pakistani rupees and 2,30,000 Bangladeshi taka. After that we talk about the unfolded display. It comes with HDR10 Plus OLED immersive display of 7.6 inches. And its screen resolution is 1840 by 2208 pixels. An advantage of HDR10 Plus display is that the display can adjust its refresh rate according to the material being displayed on it. And if we talk about the folded display, then it has OLED display of 5.8 inch. And its screen resolution is 1080 by 2092 pixels. And 378 ppi density is given. And within this refresh rate of 120 Hz is given, which is a good refresh rate. And max peak brightness of 1450 to 1550 nits is given, which provide great visibility in bright sunlight. If we talk about the operating system of Google Pixel Fold, then latest Android 13 operating system is used. If we talk about its chipset power, then the Google Tensor G2 5nm chipset is used. It is designed to improve Pixel's performance and efficiency for great battery life. Google Tensor G2 makes Pixel Fold fast and secure, with smooth multitasking and video streaming, and provide an excellent gaming experience. An octa-core CPU has been used, in which two CPUs of 2.85 GHz, two CPUs of 2.35 GHz and 4 SPUs of 1.80 Hz is given, which is enough for multitasking. And Mali G710 GPU support is given. If we talk about battery department, then it is equipped with massive and non-removable battery of lithium-ion polymer 4821 mAh. If we talk about cameras, then it has 48 megapixel main sensor with a wide aperture of f1.7. And within this dual pixel phase detection, autofocus and optical image stabilization is given, which is good for photography. And it helps in capturing clear images by focusing moving objects. And second one is telephoto sensor of 10.8 megapixels with apertures of f3.1. And within this PDAF and 5x optical zoom feature is also given. And third one is ultra-wide sensor of 10.8 megapixels with f2.2 aperture and you can record maximum video of 4K at 30 fps from the main camera. The phone has a 8 megapixels in display and 9.5 megapixels cover display front camera for selfies and video calls. You can also remove blur and visual noise with a few taps on the large display. In terms of memory, it comes with LPDDR5X 12GB RAM. And it is available in two variants. first variant is 12 GB plus 256 GB and second variant is 12 GB plus 512 GB. If we talk about the body dimensions then, the height of unfolded phone is 158.7 mm, 139.7 mm width and thickness of 5.8 mm. And the height of folded phone is 139.7 mm, 7.5 mm width and thickness is 12.1 mm. The screen-to-body ratio is 82.7%, which is a good ratio. And its weight is 283 grams. If we talk about the body material, then protection of Gorilla Glass Victus is given on the front. And its back panel is made of glass and frame is made of aluminum. And with IPX8 it is scratch and splash resistance. Let's talk about connectivity. It supports 5G, 5th generation network technology, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. It is available in 3 porcelain, obsidian colors. Some other features like it has live translate interpreter mode makes it even easier to have face-to-face conversations in different languages. Translation appears inside and outside screens while you're talking. VPN by Google One feature is given which helps to protect your online activity in any app or web browser, which makes it better from other foldable smartphones. So guys, if we look overall features of Google Pixel Fold, then this foldable smartphones comes with high-end processors, big screen, large batteries, and multiple cameras that can capture high-quality images and videos. What is your opinion about this phone? Please tell us in the comment section. And to see such informative video, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon for latest updates. Goodbye and take care.